Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of pound dollar GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist if you're interested in other pairs like gold USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD. GBP USD in front of us right now, and right now we can see that market is trading at 1.3521. This is the current market price here. And after this huge fall in the market, we can see that there is a good recovery on the market going on right now. If you have watched my Saturday's video where we have talked in detail about the possible recovery in the short term on the chart of GBP USD, then we can see that yes, it seems that yes, the recovery mode is on in the market. Okay, and we also talked about the DXY chart and the swing patterns on the daily chart of DXY, and we can see that the swing patterns are really working well here, because we can see the trend line is acting as a dynamic support for dollar on the daily chart, and as per our expectation, dollar is under correction right now, and we can see dollar is going to right now standing at pivot. Pivot generally acts as a magnet in the market. So market may try to bounce a little from here, but yes, in the short term there is still a good possibility that dollar will be testing the level to complete the swing and bounce again. Okay, so as of now, there may be some time for dollar to complete the swing. Okay, so let's switch to the 4-hour chart. Okay, in the 4-hour chart, to be honest, we do not have a clear picture on the market right now, and we can see that though market is lingering around 96.25 level here, but to be honest, I am not sure in which direction market will be moving. But I can tell you that there is a good possibility that market will be testing the level of 96 here. Okay, and 96 may be a level for dollar that you can trust. Okay, so there is a possibility that market will test the level of 96 and market will bounce from here. Right now market trading at 96.26, so there is still a gap here, and market may come down a little to test the level of 96. Okay, so if market comes down to test the level of 96, we may see some buying on GBP USD some more, and when dollar will be bouncing from the 96 level, for day trading purpose, you may see some correction or selling on the GBP USD chart. Keep in mind that market may test the level of 96 soon. Okay, and in case market bounces from here, then that's a different chapter. We will have to look for some other opportunity. But and as I said, we are not sure about the picture of dollar right now for day trading purpose. In the short term, we have a picture right now, but for day trading purpose, we are not sure. And keep in mind, NFP is coming up on Friday, and as we all know, NFP is a big market driving event, and usually we see that market remains calm before the NFP. So let's see in which direction DXY moves, and now let's talk about the chart of dollar here. Okay, we can see dollar is almost standing at the trend line here, or it has slightly crossed the trend line, and the trend line was acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. And apart from the dynamic resistance, we also have this level acting as resistance, static resistance. But to be honest, this resistance level is not a very strong one. As I said on the chart of gold, that each and every market has levels. Okay, certain levels that are very strong, that are weak, and that are not much strong. Okay, so this is not a very strong level for GBP USD right now. Which one is the strongest level here? This is the strongest level on GBP USD, because this was the level that changed the trend of the market, but this is just the normal level. Okay, and we cannot trust this level much, but we also had the trend line which was acting as the dynamic resistance. So we had dual resistance here, in this particular price level. The static one and the dynamic one in the form of a trend line. But still market crossed the level because there was some good selling on the DXY, and as we all know, DXY plays a huge role on all the dollar pairs, whether it is gold USD, AUD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. Okay, so as I said on the chart of dollar that it can test the level of 96 if DXY goes down further to test the level of 96, we may see some buying on GBP USD again. Okay, and to be honest, this is not a very good level to take a buy position. Why? Because your risk to reward will not be in your favor. Because if you take a buy position here, where will be your stop loss? Your stop loss will be here. If you put your stop loss here, this is a very risky one, and you can put your stop loss here or here. So your risk to reward ratio is not in your favor. And so taking a buy position is out of the question because you will be compromising with the trading discipline. Okay, maybe you will earn some money today or tomorrow, but in the long run you'll always be losing money. So my dear friend, be a trader, disciplined trader, so that you can become a consistent profitable trader. And for consistency, in my 9 years of trading experience, I have learned that discipline is the only way. Okay, so do not take a buy position here because this is against our trading discipline. Okay, and for scalping purpose, that's a different chapter. If you're a scalper, okay, you can switch to a lower time frame like 15 minutes. Okay, and then you can look for scalping opportunity. But otherwise, beginners, new traders should directly avoid trading like this. Okay, but keep in mind, okay, if market goes DXY goes to the 96 level, okay, then GBP USD will be testing the level of 50% retracement level, and this is the 50% retracement level. And to be honest, 50% retracement level plays a big role in comparison to the other levels. So there is a possibility for GBP USD that yes, okay, there may be some selling in this level, because when market will be standing in this particular level of 1.3550 or 1.3560 level, dollar will be at 96. If dollar bounces from 96 level, GBP USD will be reversing from this particular level here. Okay, so for day trading purpose, you can take a sell position in this level, but whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, strict risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, even your analysis can be wrong as well. So do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. It's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. Okay, so just wait for this level to market to reverse. That's it. And if market comes down to the level of 1.3450 and bounces, you can take a buy. Okay, that is also a trading opportunity. I'll be discussing that tomorrow. Okay, let's wait and watch. Bye bye.